This is Eric Muadhi with Muadhi.com. The market has just moved. I think the Dow was up as much as 120 points. Just pulling back a little bit right now, and I'm very excited about this video, and I'll tell you why. It's because irrespective of where the market closes and how it behaves, I think we can play strength. Now, as per my pre-market video, we went into the day short, right? And we had some conditional buying opportunities on the downside with very tight stops. So we either got in and got stopped out, and that's fine. That's how you play the game. Right? And the market had a huge drop, so the direction was correct initially, and then we had this snapback rally intraday. Now, that's okay too, because if we can play strength in the market, and if this market wants to rally, I have actually four ideas for you. And I think the charts, if we close positive today, the charts show that these stocks might take off. I don't know why I'm excited, and I have a secret, and the secret is that I still own some SKF, and I don't know why I'm still holding on to them. I might sell them, but right now I'm going to show you that I'm man enough to change my position and give you guys some buying opportunities on the long side. And I think the way I'm gonna probably that's why I'm excited is I'm gonna show you the index, and then I'm gonna find you a stock within the index that's doing okay. And so I'm gonna show you 3 sectors that are doing well, and then I'm gonna find you stocks within the sectors that I think should be buys with very, very tight stops. Now, this is the FXI, the China ETF. Now, we went long, I think yesterday. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it was yesterday, with a buy above when it moved above 25.98, and we saw it. We are seeing it follow through today. So if you went long the FXI, despite the market gyrations yesterday and today, this instrument is up about 6-7% in just about a day and a half. So despite the big draft down today, this instrument is doing good, which is what I'm talking about. If we can find some pockets of strength, I think we'll be okay. All right. Now remember, even though it's breaking out of this range, it still is going to have to contend with this RSI top lines here. And remember, at the end of the video, I'm going to have 2 charts for you, and I want you to watch them, because this is going to reinforce the idea that you need to use stops in this market always. Even though the market is trying to rally right now. If we take a look at the BTK, this morning I had shown that the BTK was stalling as of yesterday's close, but intraday we've snapped back, and we are the BTK, the biotech index, is trading higher with a third day of a follow through, which is good. I thought it was stalling, but now look at the RSI top lines. Right now, this is a breakout. If we close around here, it was stalling in the earlier this morning. The RSI looked like that, but right now, as you can see, we have to respect what we see in the market. There is a breakout if we close higher today, so that's good for the general market. And if we take a look at the Russell 2000, you see it's trying to move out of this wedge type formation as of the trading right now. And you see, the thing about this market is bear markets are very good at pulling you in with fake moves only to spit you out. So that's why I want to go long, but I still own some SKF until we get the close or a breakout that tells me that for sure this market wants to rally. I see signs that the market wants to rally. For example, a generic view. Here's a 50-day moving average. It's already starting to move higher. Okay, things like that, and you cannot ignore them. So the Russell 2000 was forming this wedge type formation. Earlier this morning we almost broke down, but now it snapped back and we are headed higher, depending on where we close. It's a tricky market still. Now, one of the reasons why I have a pick in the technology sector, a stock pick that you might like on the long side, a conditional buy with a very tight stop, is because over the last couple of I think I would say weeks, we found support over 2 weeks right there, and this instrument has removed or has refused to drop below this level. That tells me there is strength if the market can close strong or at least hold on to the gains as of intraday rally. Now the picks, so here we go with the stock picks. The first one is